The main purposes for writing. I'd say the top three are to entertain, to inform, and to persuade. To entertain is when you write to make the reader laugh, hold their attention, or keep the reader in suspense. Stories are usually enjoyable and people want to read them. So to entertain could be a story, could be a script, could be any number of things. To inform. So you write to give the reader information about a person, place, or thing. We've done this in our descriptive writing already, but you could inform in a story or in other formats as well. And finally, to persuade. So to persuade means to write to change the reader's mind on a topic and call them to action. So that action could be to buy something, to vote for somebody, or to tell them that your opinion is better than theirs. There are many other purposes for writing, but those are the three we are going to cover in grade 6. So right now we're going to talk about persuading. And the first way of persuading we're going to do is comparing and contrasting. So what does compare mean? So to compare means to say what is the same between two or more people, places, or things, i.e. nouns. So for example, we have apples and oranges. We could say they are both round. They are both fruits. They both have seeds. And they both are healthy. We could talk about the Samsung and iPhone, Apple. We could say they both are expensive. They both have 5.8-inch touchscreens. They both have a 12-megapixel rear camera. What about contrast? So what does that mean? That is to say what is different between two or more people, places, or things. So with apples and oranges, one is red, the other is orange. One is sweet, the other is sour. One grows in cold climates, the other in warm. And with our phones, one is made by Apple, the other Samsung. Samsung has a fingerprint scanner, Apple doesn't. On this, I think this is the iPhone 9. Apple has a Lightning port, Samsung has a USB-C. Okay, so one way to compare things is with a Venn diagram. So this is what a Venn diagram looks like. It's basically just two circles that are overlapping each other. So on one side, you have what is different in item 1. On the other side, you have what is different in item 2. And where the two overlap is what is the same about the two objects. And finally, we're going to put our example of apples and oranges in a Venn diagram. So, apples, oranges. Apples are red, sweet, grow in cold climates. Oranges are orange, sour, grow in warm climates. And they're both round, they both have seeds, and they are both healthy. So that is all for this homework. I will see you in class.